When the disciples asked Jesus, who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven, probably they thought Jesus will say, you are my disciples, I have chosen you, therefore you are the greatest in heaven. Jesus calls a child, and probably disciples must have got disappointed. He calls a child, places the child in midst of them, and says, unless you become like little children, you will not enter the kingdom of heaven. Let us carefully listen to the words of Jesus. Unless you become like little children, you will not enter the kingdom of heaven. Why did Jesus give such importance to a child? Can we become small children now? No. We are adults. Most of us are adults here. So what is the meaning of Jesus saying, the child, look at a child, especially 4 and below the age of 4. They are innocent. They are sinless. They cannot sin. They have a total trust in their parents or the people who take care of them. They don't doubt. They are fearless. They have no fear. They are ready to go here, there, anywhere. They don't know there is a danger. And they are no bias, no color bias, no gender bias, nothing. Therefore, you see little kids, when they come, how they play, they enjoy. They don't discriminate. Oh, you are an outsider. Your color is different. Your religion is different. I am a boy, you are a girl. No. For child, the child matters. Therefore, they really enjoy their life to the fullest.